Hello students, this is Kathleen. Welcome to week 1 of Writing 5. Many weeks I will post a video explaining all the activities, probably not every week once we kind of get into the hang of it and know what we're doing. But this is the first week, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm in the Learning Modules folder right now, and you can see our week 1, week of May 22. So each week has a folder, and inside the folder there are blue activities, which are things that you should read, listen to, watch, or learn from. So this is an online class, but if we were in class, I would give you like lectures or activities to do, that are not for a grade or are not an assignment. That's what the blue activities are. Should you skip them? No, please do not skip them. It will not be possible to do well on the assignments, which are in black. So you can see that assignments will be in black. Those are the homework, tests, or any other work you must complete. It's going to be due on Sundays at 11 p.m. and that will be starting next Sunday, May 28 as our first deadline. So this is going to be our week 1 folder, and then all the weeks will be below it. Now, I might sort of hide the old weeks after maybe 3 weeks, because students were telling me they found it a little confusing if too many weeks are open to find the right one. So let me know. So here's the video. I'm making this video for you right now. So when you look at it, you'll see this video. Kind of meta. Okay, so this is just your reminder. Blue activities you don't have to turn in. Black assignments are going to be due Sunday, May 28, which is going to be at 11 p.m. So first we just have our welcome. You can see that's blue. There's nothing to do. 1.2. So, okay, this is another thing I'm doing. If you have been my student before, you can also tell me if you like this. I'm going to number every single thing like all in a row like this. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So if you miss anything and go back, it will be easier to find it. And then like week 2 will be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So that's all that means. It just helps us be able to find it. So the first one is agreement and check-ins. So that's a link that you need to complete here. You need to complete your name, information about the syllabus. Do you understand that you need to get 85% or higher? Do you understand that copying or using ChatGPT or other artificial intelligence is not allowed? We are requiring weekly check-ins for this class. So the weekly check-ins can, if you prefer to not do a meeting, you could do writing. It will be 3 paragraphs per week starting next week. Okay? We will have online, or you can do an online meeting, either individual or small group. Those online meetings will be very short, 5 to 15 minutes. It's not a teaching thing necessarily. It's just checking in, making sure everything is going okay. And what are the best days and times for you to meet online? I have 2 choices here, but if you don't like them, please put any other information or ideas of times that are good for you, because we can definitely add some more different times. And then what other questions, concerns, or comments do you have? And then you'll submit that. You are done with 1.2. We have Introductions Padlet, which is 1.3. It looks like this. Look at our first Brave posters. Thank you so much, Mahi and Parya. Parya posted a video. Mahi posted a beautiful picture. You can get 5 points for writing and 5 extra points for a photo, video, or some other attachment. This could be a photo of you, but it could also be like a photo of your country or a photo of your hobby or something like that. This is my video. You could watch that. You can watch her video. And to post on this thing, let me move my camera. You just click this plus sign, and then you can type here. If you want to add a picture, you could add it here, or a link, or something else. You can use those buttons to add those other tools. This works really well online too. There's no login, and then you can see that you can also comment. So I'm asking you to make comments to 2 classmates. Parya has already commented on Mahi, so that's a great example for you to follow. So that way we can get to know each other a little bit, and see who else is in the class, since we won't be meeting face to face. Okay, next 1.4 you can see is an assignment because it's in black. So watch this video and answer questions about it. You will see an example outline and essay. So here is the example outline an essay. So there's an example essay, an example outline, which is what we're going to be working on. Okay, and then this play pause it is how you're going to watch the video. So you would have to make your you're going to have to make your account for this, I believe. And then it's kind of hard for me to show certain things because they look different from teachers to students. But basically, you will watch the video, and then during the video, some questions will pop up. So you could see this video is like 15 minutes, I think. And at certain points in this video, like some questions are going to pop up. And when the questions pop up, you will answer them. And I'm just mostly checking to make sure you did it, you learned something. You don't have to get questions correct necessarily, just quick answers are fine. Quick answers are fine there, okay? So look at 1.5. There's nothing to turn in here. This is videos about the first type of essay we're going to do, which is cause and effect. So just go ahead and watch these two videos. You need to watch them to do kind of one of the major assignments. The major assignment is you're going to write an outline for at-home essay 1, cause or effect. So there are 2 documents attached. The first one is the thing you actually need to finish and turn in. The second one is just some vocabulary and sentence frames which help you to be able to do that. You see 4 topic choices, okay, and you see a whole example of how to do it. So these 3 things are really linked, 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6, helping you get ready to do that assignment. So this is what the Word documents look like. This is the one you're going to complete and turn in, the outline, okay? Remember, you probably need to click Enable Editing to access it. So you're going to write a thesis statement and 3 topic sentences with a few details. They don't have to be long details, just a few words about what you plan to put in each body paragraph, okay? And if that doesn't make sense, it's okay because you have to watch the other videos to kind of get there, okay? So this is what you're going to complete and turn in. This other document is like a tool. So it has some example vocabulary words for effects and some examples for causes. And you can use these frames, like copy them into your outline with your own personal information. But you do not need to turn this in. This is a tool document. A tool means something you look at to see. So as you will learn in the video, like what I really want to see in your outline is your thesis that has the main idea for the whole essay, and then your 3 topic sentences, and they should either have a cause focus or an effect focus using vocabulary words for cause and effect. And if you're not sure what those vocabulary words is, you can look over here. So if something's not clear here, then when we meet, that would be a great time to talk about it. Okay, the last part, 1.7 and 1.8, is our grammar part. Okay, so that's on Quill, which you can click to log in, and you'll see our course code also. And then once you log in, you're going to see 2 activities. One is for 1.7 and one is for 1.8. So the first one is this diagnostic. It's just sort of like it has 25 questions on writing sentences. That's it. Okay, and then the second one is a paragraph. Let's see. Okay, you can see some future ones that are coming up, but they're not due now. So this is the 2 that are due this week. So for this one, you're just reading a paragraph. When you see an underlined word, you need to correct it. You need to correct it, okay? So I'm going to say, for example, here's a clue. This one gets a comma here. Okay, so read it and just see what you, on the underlined points, what can you fix and how can you do that? Okay, so those are the main assignments for the week. So if something is not clear, what can you do? You can email me. Always, and I'm pretty good at answering pretty quickly. Okay, you could come to 1. You don't need to come to 2. You can just come to 1 of these check-in sessions. This week, the check-ins are optional, but starting next week, they will be required. Okay, so you don't need to come to both of these. You could come on Tuesday at 9 a.m. or Wednesday at 5 p.m. 5 to 15 minutes. Say hi, meet me if you haven't met me before, and ask any questions. We will be meeting at this link. You just go ahead and click it to open it. You can also download the WebEx Meet app to your phone. You can email me to set up a different time if you'd like to meet a different time. This is the other video about the syllabus and schedule, so make sure to watch that if you haven't done it yet. So anyway, thank you everybody. I hope the activities go really well for you, and yeah, I will hopefully see you and meet you online this week. Take care. Bye-bye.